Okay guys, welcome back. So I was asked to tie the green butt Cascade in one of the comments below one of the recent videos that I posted. So the hook in the vise is a size 8 silver partridge patriot double. I'm going to use the uni thread 801 white to start off with, just to keep the wee butt at the back nice and bright. So we'll just put on our thread, then the tag in the rib. I'll get my scissors. Is a oval silver tinsel. This is a over silver tinsel and small that I'm using. So just catch this in on the way down. Just work on the thread down until you're past the points of the hooks. That's where I finish off, and then I'm going to come around with 4 turns of the oval silver. The last turn, bring it in, locks in your tag, work the thread forward, fold back the access for the rib, and work our thread back down, tied up against the tag. We like a wax now. The tail is usually just a yellow and orange bucktail. Now I've just sort of brightened it up here a wee bit. This is just some fluorescent yellow and the fluorescent orange bucktail that I'm using. So just going to come around with a pinch and loop. I'll catch that in with the access, take that away in a bit of a tapered cut. Now, we favour there. So just want to take that out. Take that out of the way. Going to add in some Murraflash, 2 strands of Murraflash and orange into the tail. So just offer that up. Just bring it in on top. Just fold the waist ends back. Trim that away. The butt, Glow Bright floss number 12. So take a nice length of that. Won't have to be too stingy with it. Now, see this bit that I'm holding? Just offer that up in between your thread and just leave this trailing over the back of the tail. Just put in another couple of turns to secure, and then I'm just going to work my thread forward to the length that I want the butt to be, and just create your touching turns. Now you can go back down again if you wish. I'll just show you and put more colour into it. Now I'm going to bring this bit here over as a bit of security. It won't slip anyway. It shouldn't, because you have the oval silver tinsel tag on. But sometimes you can use UV resin, but see, sometimes I just think on some of the Glow Bright floss colours, the UV resin tends to take out a bit of the colour. Don't know if that's just me, or probably is, you know, just because I'm dead fussy at times. Now, just going to work my thread forward. Just forget everything else. Don't worry if there's wee fibres coming out. It'll all come together in the end. And then work your thread back down nice and tight. Now the rear body, I'm going to use a silver and gold mylar in size 12. Now you could use a holographic silver tinsel. Now with this being a dual tinsel, so that's the gold side, that's the silver side, so we want the silver side. So we're going to tie this on with the gold side facing me, and then work my thread forward. I'm going to come round with our tinsel. Now, just have a wee check at this point, just to see where you are. Now I'm happy enough, so I'm just going to use the rotary function on the vise to come up and meet the thread. Follow this around nice and tight. We like a wax for the next material, which is our black floss. So you need floss in black. Now what I like to do here is instead of putting the, just give it a wee twist like that. That'll separate the fibres, and then we'll just gently pull the fibres through. I just think by doing this it just gives you a better finish. The body's not as bulky as what you would sort of wind on with the full floss. Now you don't have to do this, this is just me being a wee bit pedantic and fussy. Right, fibres there, pretty close away. Just work my thread up, or sorry, the floss up to that point there. Catch this in. And the Cascade's just one of those flies that you can fish all season long. And it's a great taker of Atlantic salmon. Now, so at the start you'll have seen what I've brought over the back. There, hopefully it's picking this up. And then we've also got a bit of a secondary security, because we're going to bring forward our oval silver tinsel. I'll just show you in a second. And that's just coming up the side of the pattern here. Just spin it around and show you. So you can see it coming up the side. That's going to protect that tag as well. Now the head's black on the Cascade at times, so I'm just going to switch over to the uni thread 801 black to finish off. Just come in, trim away the waist. Wing, it's got some, this is fin raccoon, dyed black. So just offer this up, and I like the tips coming past the points of the hooks. Now the length of a wing on a Cascade is much like the tail. It's the angler's preference of the way he likes to fix the fly. And if he's a fly tire, the way that he likes to dress the pattern. We all have our own wee ideas on this craft. Right, just coming down over the cut ends. Into the wing, I want to put in a couple of strands of microflash in orange. So just offer that up. Couple of turns. We make a wax up over the top. Trim away the waist. Then we'll just come in and front hackle. First front hackle, I should say. This is yellow hen hackle. Now you can wind the two hackles on together, but with the hen hackles I like to put them on individually, just to give me a better proportion of what the fly is going to look like. If just fold back the tip, just work your thread back over the tip and the hackle. Come in and break away the tip, and then I'm just going to take one turn of the yellow hen hackle. I don't think I really need any more than that. To that point there, follow this around with my thread. Right. Just take your time at this point, working my thread down, back down to where sort of way began with the size of the head. I just like to break it away, but unfortunately it didn't want to come away that time, so we'll trim it away and then we'll work our thread back up. Right, just going to come in and just open the fibres out a wee bit. Then the front hackle, a nice orange hen. Right. All you're doing, guys, with this is once you start tying a few, if you're new to tying salmon flies, you'll gauge the length of the hackles and where to stroke the fibres back to, and you're just looking to create that Christmas tree type shape. Then just offer it up to the hook, 2 turns, and if you're using wax you can put a wee lick of wax on. You can fold the tip back at this point and work your thread back up, and then you come in and break away the tip, and much like the yellow hackle, I'm only looking a turn. That's all I'm looking, because there's plenty of fibres on there now, plenty of colour to give the wee fly plenty of movement. Catch this in. I want to fold back the stem, so I'm just going to take away some of the fibres that's on the stem, and then I'm going to fold it back. I can do a wee bit better than that. Just come in, hold everything back, and then we're just going to build up our head. And it's funny, like, you know, don't be shy with the head on a salmon fly. The fish will not mind. So nice and tight, break away the stem, and then we can come in and finish off with our traditional whip finish. Right, I just want to bring some of the hackles out so you can see the wee pattern. First coat onto the head, we drop a super glue. Right, sometimes super glue has a tendency to run, so just be careful when you're putting this on. Right, the whole way right round, and then just come in and square everything off. Well, there you go, guys. That's just the Cascade, only with the green butt added at the back. And I don't think it really matters, in my view, what way you tie the Cascade. It's just one of those flies that it's just a taker of fish, and obviously you can mess about with the colours. You can have a purple Cascade, you can red Cascade, just whatever you like. So there you go, guys. That's the green butt Cascade. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. If this is the first time watching one of my tying videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. It doesn't cost nothing. And until the next time, be good. If you can't be good, try and be careful. And all being well, I'll catch us on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.